Welcome back. Hearing on the eviction notices served to Moti Dongor residents continued on Thursday. 100 occupants out of 105 from Moti Dongor attended personal hearing before the Administrator of Comunidades. 5 occupants could not make it. For these, hearing has been scheduled on 10th of June.
252 occupants at Moti Dongor are currently facing Comunidades eviction notices. 105 occupants were asked to remain present for personal hearing before the Administrator of Comunidades on Thursday. However, 5 respondents did not attend. They will be heard on 10th of June.
So totally in Moti Dongor area, 210 notices were issued. Out of that, 105 people were called for hearing yesterday and another 105 were called today. Now yesterday out of 105, 94 people remained present. 11 people who could not remain present yesterday were given an opportunity today to come for the hearing. Now today out of 105, only 5 persons have not come and 100 have reported for the hearings, personal hearings, either personally or through their family members. Now all these people who have not been able to attend hearings yesterday and today have been given an opportunity to come and give their personal hearing on 10th of June. 10th of June morning, they have another opportunity to come before this office and give their hearing.
And then after 10th?
After 10th, we will see what is their case. Then the reply which is filed by them will be scrutinized, the documents will be verified, and accordingly the necessary orders will be passed.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
The inmate in Aguada jail who exposed ill deeds inside the jail was allegedly targeted by the jail authorities. In an SMS sent by him from the jail to some media persons, he claims that the authorities assaulted him and threatened him with dire consequences if he tries to expose situation inside the jail again.
The inmate who exposed the misdeeds in Sada and Aguada jail was beaten up by the jail authorities once again for voicing out the real truth behind the death of an inmate, Mahadev Gaonkar. The inmate had informed on 3rd June that jail authorities were involved in the food poisoning episode of Aguada jail and Mahadev Gaonkar died due to negligence of jailers. The inmate now told Prudent that I was beaten up by the jail authorities on 4th June at around 10 am as I had exposed them of plotting the Aguada jail food poisoning. My mobile was confiscated and I was threatened of dire consequences if I again contact media and provide them any kind of news from jail. The jailer said I would be killed like Mahadev Gaonkar if I did not cooperate with them. Bureau Report, Prudent.
A truck bumped with a bus near Boni Bridge on Thursday. Truck driver is seriously injured and shifted to hospicio. 3 bus passengers are also injured. Bus driver and conductor eloped from the scene when the head-on collision occurred. The truck was plying towards Ponda while the bus was moving towards Margaon. Injured passengers were shifted to ID Hospital in Ponda. Nehru Yuva Kendra has arranged youth exchange program for youth of Goan origin from neighbouring states. Former Union Minister Eduardo Falero says that the program intends to promote understanding and goodwill between the 3 states of Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. The main objective of the Kendra is to promote national integration.
A program that we'll bring these people, we'll bring them to Goa. Because this has to be among young people. At this age is very difficult. Young people, so that they understand. When you understand each other, you really start respecting each other and feeling they are the same thing. So therefore, we want them to be bridges of understanding and cooperation between Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, like that. At Sadhyak, there are about 16,000 families of Goan origin, of Goan origin in North Karnataka, and about 7,000 families of descendant Tanje in Maharashtra, South Maharashtra. So पहिले आशिल्ले पुढे farmers शेती बी काम करताले आणि खूबशे असले काम करताले fish and this type of thing. Like we were doing. आमी पुढे कितें हांवूय पुढे आशिल्लो आमचे आदले पुढे आशिल्ले farmers.
11 youth of Goan origin from Kolhapur districts are in the state under the program. महाराष्ट्र राज्यात नेऊन त्यांना पण आमच्याकडची वातावरण आणि संबंध चांगल्या प्रकारे प्रस्थापित करण्यासाठी प्रयत्न करू आणि त्यासाठी आम्हाला तुम्ही मदत करावी ही आमची इच्छा आहे.
A video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.